Meaning of energy.
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 Energy. Energy refers to the capacity of a physical system to perform work. It is a fundamental concept in physics and is often described as the ability to do work. In modern times, energy has become an important topic due to concerns about climate change and the need for sustainable energy sources. Energy can be classified into different forms such as kinetic, potential, thermal, electrical, and chemical energy. It exists in various forms and can be converted from one form to another. Energy plays a crucial role in all aspects of our lives, from powering our homes to fueling our vehicles and industries.